the way things work. And that's the power of knowledge, kids. If either of you are free to look up anything, just for hilarity's sake, look up slap on Titan. Like, slap the face on Titan. Like, attack on Titan, slap on Titan. On YouTube. It's pretty funny.
Greetings, Executive Chairman Drake.
Dispense with the pleasantries, Lieutenant. My sources tell me you're behind schedule. You must
Schedule.
prepare this planet to be harvested for our new world.
Yes, sir. As you can see, everything is moving along.
Oh, God.
I'm counting on you, Lieutenant. And as your former commander can tell you, I don't take disappointment well.
Yes, sir. I won't fail.
Yeah, I can do it.
Destroying yet
I can do
another
races.
planet.
Yeah, but if that's the kind of help he's getting, I don't think we have anything to worry about.
You should not underestimate Chairman Drack. He is quite dangerous. We must find Captain Quark.
Look, that lieutenant doesn't seem so tough. Let's take him out ourselves.
Perhaps we can persuade the lieutenant to tell us where Drack is.
Now you're talking.
I got some great bargains for you today. Oh, that's a nice one.
I'll doubt my brother's gaming skills. Alright, where to next? Hop in, Clank. Okay. We, nothing going on here. I think the flashing ones are the ones that there's something actually happening at. Yeah. Let's go check out, Iridia, where, a skateboarding guy crashed. With a hoverboard. With his agent crashing. That's cool. What do you got here?
I got some great bargains for you.
Hey, look who it is! I'm gonna look around a little before I go to him. Go boom, bitch! Sorry. Couldn't resist. Let's do a little flamethrower. Are you hot under the collar? Here, have some fun. Ow! Screw you. Hot under the collar. Yay, something. Whoa. Oh, get me out of there. Aha, that worked. Ah, so you did get my... Krazik, I was hoping you were going to get my reference. If you didn't get my reference, I was going to be a little sad. I was going to be a little, actually, I was going to be really sad, but I'm just like, shit, she might get it. Hot another color? What's up? I have 2 bombs. 2 bombs for 1 man. That's just too many bombs. Cause I'm on fire. Ooh, what's this? Oh. I love that worked. Oh, I love this game already. How would I not get that? Cause he's got yellow fever. Oh, he got blown the fuck up, honestly. How would I not get that? I'm gonna go back that other way real quick. What's on Ratchet's head? Oh, it's like some kind of weird helmet. You were floating in the air. How would I not see you? Double checking if there's anything I'm missing over here. What do we got? Ooh. Oops, wrong button. Well, this is for all of us who've already been to the other world. Let me see what's down here. There could be anything down here. Did anybody ever look up that video set I said? Oops. Oh well. Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god. Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god, god damn it! Oh, you don't actually die in this game, cool. Everything's about respawning. Oh, but the enemies do come back. That's not cool. Gotta be alive, Pascal. Scorching flame! Burst! Hot, hot, hot! You two were in the middle. I can't get over that. Okay, so that takes me down. Here, die. Oh god. Here, have that. I love my own weapons, can't hurt me. Maybe they can. I'd just rather not test it. Wow, I'm going really far down. Huh. You know, I don't know which way to go. There's just so much exploring in this game. Die, 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 die! Only hard under the collar. I'm done. Damn it, I need more Tails references. What are you even doing here? Oh, there's nothing in there. Oh god. I was totally guessing. There we go. Bombs away! Oh god, that was dumb. Aw. I'm gonna double check on myself. Yeah, it looks okay. Double check myself before I wreck myself. Is Deadly Dingo still here? I've made a full circle.
No signal whatsoever. This downtime is killing me.
Do you need medical attention, sir?
Don't be so literal, son. The problem is I'm stranded on this backwater